I'm Jackie Coleman. I'm an insurance agent with RC Cook Insurance Agency. In this short video, I'm going to answer the question, what is collision coverage? If you ask your insurance agent for collision coverage, you are asking for insurance coverage that provides for reimbursement for a loss to a covered vehicle, if it collides with another vehicle, object, or if it overturns. When obtaining collision coverage, you will need to select a deductible. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and you get into an accident, and the cost of the repairs is $2,000, then you pay your $500 deductible to the auto body shop, and the insurance company will pay the remaining $1,500 to fix your vehicle. However, if the cost to fix your car is $300, you will pay all of it as it is less than your deductible. Keep in mind that most companies will surcharge your premium if you submit a claim. In addition, if you have 3 or more claims in a 3 to 5 year range, despite if the insurance company had to pay out or not, you may risk being canceled by the insurance company. Always seek out the advice of your independent agent at RC Cook Insurance before you submit a claim. It will save you money in the long run. Thank you.